Hello and welcome to English Speaking 360. This is super easy English, and today we are helping you to learn how to give advice with you should. So you should watch this because it is real life English, and today we are giving you 9 problems and 9 possible pieces of advice that you can give your friend. Let's go. So your friend has a bad cold. This is a problem, and you want to help your friend. So you have this idea. You want to give your friend some advice. Your advice is drink lemon tea. It's a good idea. When somebody has a bad cold, many people drink lemon tea. But you cannot tell your friend, hey, drink lemon tea, because it is not kind. It is not soft. It is very rough. And maybe your friend will not like it. So what do we say instead? We say, you should. And then you put your piece of advice right here. Drink lemon tea comes right here. So altogether, it comes to you should drink lemon tea. This is how to give advice with you should. It is easy and it is very kind. Let's go with another example. Your friend says, I don't have enough money. You have some advice for your friend. Your advice is get a part-time job. But you want to be nice to your friend. What do you say? You say, you get a part-time job. What goes in the blank? You should get a part-time job. And don't forget that after should, we always need a verb. If there is no verb, it doesn't work. You cannot say, you should part-time job. It doesn't work. You should get a part-time job. You should find a part-time job. Always a verb after should. Your friend says, I'm out of shape. Out of shape means I lack exercise. So your advice is start swimming. What do we say? You should start swimming, right? And don't forget, after should, you need the verb. You cannot say you should swimming because this is an ing verb. It doesn't work. You need a regular basic form verb. You should start swimming. I want to become more eco-friendly. Your advice? Recycle more. Good. What do you tell your friend? You should recycle more. Your friend says, I want to find love. Your advice is meet more people. So what do you tell your friend? You should meet more people. Your friend says, I want to travel, but I don't have much money. Your advice is go camping. You should go camping. Your friend says, I don't want to catch COVID-19. Your advice is wear a mask. You should wear a mask. Your friend says, I want to have a happy life. Your advice is, do not listen to other people. Now watch out with this one because it's do not listen to other people. It is a negative. And a positive advice, follow your dreams. So now you have two pieces of advice. What do you say? You should not listen to other people. You should follow your dreams. So here you can see very well that when the piece of advice is a negative piece of advice, we just take the not and we put it right here. You should not listen to other people. After this, always a verb. I want to become rich. Your advice is don't start a YouTube channel. It's a bad idea. You cannot make money with this. You shouldn't start a YouTube channel. You shouldn't is also a negative piece of advice. You should not start a YouTube channel, but you can say you shouldn't start a YouTube channel. Good job. Hey, the last one. You say, I want to improve my English. My advice is you should subscribe to my YouTube channel, English Speaking 360. Thanks, guys, and see you in our next video. Bye-bye.